guys, welcome to Sharon's Tutorials. In Gmail you have the ability to create templates, which come in really handy if you find yourself typing the same kind of emails over and over again. So Gmail has made it really easy to create a new template that you can use repeatedly, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a new one, how to make changes to an existing one, and how to delete it if you don't need it anymore. So let's crack on. Firstly, you need to make sure that templates are actually enabled in your Gmail account. So to do this, click on the cogwheel in the top right corner here, go to See All Settings, then across the top here go to Advanced tab, and the second one down says Templates. Just make sure that the Enabled is selected, and then click Save Changes down here if you've made any changes. And now you're ready to start creating your new template. So to create a new template, firstly compose a new email like you would do normally. Go to Compose and use the wording that you want to use in the actual template itself. Now, a quick note here, if you have an email signature set up already, like I have here, then you need to delete it from this particular email. Because you're going to save it as a template, you'll end up with two signatures when you actually come to inserting a new template. So if we just select this and delete everything here. So I'll just quickly type out an email regarding an inquiry that's come in. So once you have the email ready to be saved as the template, click on the three dots in the bottom right corner, and there's one called Templates. This will list any saved templates that you've already created, but you also have the option to save this draft as a template. Click on there, and then click Save as New Template. Then give the template a name. So we'll just quickly call this one Inquiry, and click Save. You can now discard this email by clicking on the bin in the bottom right corner. Another quick thing to note is if you want to attach files with the email template, you have to do that manually when you compose each email, as unfortunately Gmail doesn't save the attachments in the template itself, or at least not yet anyway. So Gmail, if you are listening, please make that a new feature to save attachments with templates. So how to insert a template? First click on Compose. This opens up obviously the blank email. Click on the three dots in the bottom right corner, click on Templates, and you'll now see the option of Insert Template here, and you can see the one that we've just created called Inquiry is now listed beneath it. Click on the name of the template you want to insert, and it's there. Note that the subject line automatically takes the name of the template, so you might want to overwrite that with something more appropriate. And you'll also see that you have an email signature set up, then this automatically appears at the end of the template. So once you've inserted the template into the email, if you make any changes to it and decide that you want to save that as the template instead, then you can either overwrite the existing template or you can save it as a new one. So to overwrite it, click on the three dots, go to Templates, and then click Save Draft as Template, and then you can either select the name of the template that's already there that you want to overwrite, or you can just save it as a new template and then give it a new name. If you choose to overwrite it, you'll get the following message, just to make sure that this is what you want to do. If you want to remove the template completely from the list, go to Compose New Email, go down to the three dots in the bottom right corner, go to Templates, and then you have an option here for Delete Template. And again, this will list all the templates that you've got created, and you just delete the one that you want to remove. And again, you'll just get a quick warning asking you if you're sure you want to delete this. And you click Delete, and it's gone. So there you have it, how to create, edit, and remove templates, emails in Gmail. I hope you found it helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning.